In this video, we are now going to look at the artificial intelligence enabled events. To look at the events, here you go to the menu bar and click on events. You will see three type of sub menu opening: event list, event search, and custom event. Now when you click on event list, you will also see the three sub modules opening, and there are 214 KP event list which have been created and put in over here. And you can straight away select any one of the event if you find it over here. They are put here in alphabetical order. So let's say you want to check pleasant function at home, and immediately you will see the rule coming over here. The main house is 4th house, supporting houses are 10, 11, and the 5th house, and the supporting houses are Moon, Jupiter, and Venus. You can also look at any other event like this. So let's say you want to see what gives receipt of gifts, receiving gifts from others. Main house is 8th house, supporting houses are 6 and 11. So there are 214 events which has been put up here in Lokpa software. Also, you can go for search and you can type over here, let's say gain. So you are typing gain, and the moment you are typing GAI, it is showing the different items which are coming over here, whether the first word is gain or the last word is gain, or there is any word which is there in middle which has the word GAI. And if you click, let's say gain in investment, in same way it is going to come up here and it is going to show. There is a box which will give you the facility to create custom event. And there you will be able to write the event name, the main house. You can choose the main house, only one house you can choose, supporting houses, supporting planets, supporting signs. You can choose the negative houses, the negative planets, negative signs, and you can write a certain notes. So let's say I want to give an event name, building a car. So let's say you want to build a car, and let's say the main house is 3rd house, okay, and the supporting houses, let's say it is the 4th house and the 11th house, and it will require some investment on your part, so 12th house. Then I take the supporting planet, which has to be Mars, which has to be Saturn, and Jupiter. Okay, supporting signs, Cancer and Scorpio. Okay, negative houses, houses that will not allow you to make the car. Okay, negative houses. So the house is going to be the 3rd house. Okay, I'm just keeping one negative house. Negative planet, which is going to be Ketu. I'm just keeping one house, one planet. Negative sign, which is going to be Leo, and notes. Okay, I'm just writing a notes. Keep track of Badhaka lords as per Lagna sign. Okay, now once I have entered all these things, what I'm doing is clicking create. So I can also click clear if something I have not entered correctly or I don't want to write, or I can click delete, or I can create. Okay, so I'm clicking create. The moment I create it, the custom event is created here, building a car. Okay, and when I go to search and I search over here, the first item comes building a car, or in the list. Okay, in the list the first item is building a car. If I click building a car, then the entire item shows over here. Okay, building a car. And when I close this, and if I go to my predictive AI, professional predictive module predefined, and I type in building a car, it shows the entire rule over here, and I click check promise. It will show me as per the event rule that has been stated, it will show me the promise of the event. Okay, so that was the event. Then there is event search, which I have shown you, and the custom event, which I have shown you. So that is the event which is there. So this is the video that will help you, and you need not depend on anyone for event. You can do research simply by creating your own event and keep on checking on charts. If you do not like the event, let's say building a car, I don't like, no, building a car, the event is not really giving me right result. I can simply modify, or I can delete. So I can modify, or I can simply delete. So now my building a car event is deleted from my list. Okay, so once you have deleted it, it is forever lost from the list. Okay, now there is no building a car. So you can, this software Lokpa will be able to help you to do research after research. You will not have to depend upon any editor of a magazine or journal to tell you how to do research. You now yourself is not only a KP astrologer, you yourself is a KP researcher because of Lokpa software. You do your own research. You have the chart of, let's say, kite maker, people who make kite and fly. So you have the chart of 10 kite makers. You make the rule. You find out the charts of 10 kite maker, and that is what we are now going to do with Astro Data Bank. I'll show you Astro Data Bank charts in the next video. Okay, so Lokpa software is here right in front of you to make you the best astrologer, to make you the best astro researcher, my friend.